Hi, I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. I'm here at my sister's new house in New Brighton. She just bought the house and did a radon test, and it tested at about 2.5. So I'm here trying to figure out how we're going to install the radon mitigation system, and I just want to show you one of the things I found underneath the furnace. So here's the new furnace she had installed right before she bought it. The old one went out, and I've already taken off the return ducting, which is here. So I took that off to get some space freed up because I noticed there's a hole under the furnace that's open to the soil. So you can see a brick there, that's all soil. And then there's some concrete on the other side, and the bottom of the furnace is there. So the reason we need to seal this is because radon mitigation works by creating vacuum under your home. If we do not seal that, and the radon fan does create suction over to this area, it's a spot where we're going to lose conditioned air. So air that she's paying to heat and cool is going to be drawn from the house down into the soil, and the radon fan will exhaust it outside. If our radon fan doesn't produce suction over to here, this is just another pathway that radon can use to enter the house. So we've got a couple options as far as sealing this up. I can clean this out and I can shove concrete under here, which is probably what I'll do, and try to make that sealed. And the other option I have is spray foam. So if I do the spray foam, she does have a natural draft water heater. I'm going to want to make sure I shut this off because those spray foam fumes can ignite, and we definitely don't want to cause a fire here. And the reason that this hole is probably here is I'm guessing when they built the house, it was in the winter. They put in the furnace, or a temporary furnace, and they set it on the brick that you see there. And then the concrete guys come in to pour the floor, and the furnace is sitting right here, so they can't get concrete all the way underneath there. So it's pretty common, and it's something to make sure that you look for if you're doing radon mitigation in your home. I'm Jesse with American Radon. Thanks for watching.